Hi, I'm Hector from H&M Lumber. Here's a video of me building my black Limba walnut combination boards. So I had to select a couple pieces. I like using the 8/4 because it's a little bit thicker. Now I'm just jointing them on the jointer to get myself a 90-degree angle so that way I can come to the table saw and get my other straight cut. And then these ones I wanted to do a 45-degree pattern. This is an end grain board, so I thought that would be a really nice pattern to go with. So now I'm just thickness planing them till they match the same thickness, doing my glue up. I had to use quite a few stickers on this, or not stickers maybe, but these boards just to hold it flat. I didn't want it to rise on one side and be lower on the other side because that's a lot of flattening that I didn't want to do. My wife does end up showing in this video here. She's not too keen on being on camera, but I'm glad I caught her. Anyway, so here I am, just finishing up my clamps, cleaning up a little bit of the glue with the rag that you saw. And I like using the parallel clamps, they're really handy. And then after that, I just go to my jointer. I've got a nice 16-inch jointer, so that helps a lot. And then flattening it again before I cut it to the end grain pattern that I'm looking for. This time when I cut it for my end grain, I used this sled. And I will say, I'm not too happy with the sled. It ended up leaving me a lot of work to do for flattening it later. So I think I'll use the fence next time. Then here I am just laminating it again for my end grain pattern. And this is the pattern I was going for. Everything turned out quite nice. After the glue up, I just cut a 90-degree reference with my crosscut sled because the crosscut always gets you 90 degrees off of one end. So I like doing that to start with. And I always have a sacrificial piece that takes all the snipe from my jointer and my thickness planer. So you'll see me cut that off in a couple seconds here. I'm just trimming the edges here, but now I'm gonna take off that piece. And the one board had a little bit more rot than I wanted to, so I did have to trim the walnut a little more than I wanted to, but that is just the way it goes. And then here I am rotoring the juice groove. I just built myself this jig out of some 1x4s that I had kicking around. And it's always scary taking a router to a finished piece, but it is what you have to do if you want a nice piece and make it look pretty. Here we're just using our own natural wood wax finish that we sell in the store. And this is the end product. I think it turned out really nice. I'm very happy with these boards. But yeah, let me know what you think. Was this informative? Does this help you build your project? I hope so. Have a great day.